Tomatoes are not only delicious, but they are also loaded with a wide range of nutrients that bring about a multitude of positive effects on one's health. Following is an in-depth analysis of the advantages that tomatoes offer. The following are examples of nutrients that are abundant. In particular, tomatoes are an excellent source of vitamin C, vitamin A, and vitamin K. Tomatoes are a good source of vitamins. Antioxidant vitamin C is beneficial to the immune system since it helps strengthen it. The minerals are. Among the necessary elements that they contain is potassium, which plays a significant role in the regulation of blood pressure and the preservation of sound cardiovascular health. 2. Lycopene, which possesses antioxidant properties that include. Tomatoes are well known for the high levels of lycopene that they contain. Lycopene is a potent antioxidant that has been associated with a large number of health advantages. Lycopene is beneficial because it helps the body eliminate free radicals, which in turn reduces oxidative stress and inflammation. 3. Heart health. Reduced probability of cardiovascular disease. Researchers have shown that eating tomatoes, which contain high quantities of potassium and lycopene, is related with a lower risk of developing cardiovascular illnesses. It has been suggested that lycopene may help reduce cholesterol levels, while potassium plays a role in the maintenance of blood pressure. 4. Prevention of cancer. Anti-cancer properties provided by lycopene. In order to investigate the potential impact that lycopene may play in the prevention of various types of cancer, such as prostate, breast, lung, and colorectal cancers, research has been conducted. 5. Collagen formation. Skin health. The formation of collagen vitamin C, which can be found in tomatoes, is necessary for the production of collagen, a protein that helps to preserve the flexibility of the skin and inhibits the appearance of indications of aging. Protection from the sun. According to the findings of a few studies, the antioxidants found in tomatoes, notably lycopene, may provide protection against the harmful effects of the sun. Vitamin A rich. This is an excellent choice for eye health. The maintenance of healthy eyes and the prevention of disorders such as night blindness are both crucially dependent on vitamin A. Tomatoes are beneficial to visual health and well-being. 7. Weight management. Low in calories. Tomatoes are an excellent option for individuals who are attempting to control their weight because they include a high percentage of water and a low number of calories. 8. Regarding the health of the digestive system. Fiber content. Tomatoes are a good source of dietary fiber, which not only helps with digestion but also helps avoid constipation. When it comes to bone health, vitamin K is essential. One of the most important nutrients for bone health is vitamin K, which is found in tomatoes. Vitamin K plays a role in the regulation of calcium and stimulates bone mineralization. The anti-inflammatory effects of quercetin are demonstrated in the following. The natural anti-inflammatory component quercetin, which is found in tomatoes, has the potential to assist in the reduction of inflammation throughout the body. The regulation of blood sugar is as follows. Composition of chromium. Tomatoes have a trace amount of chromium, which has been shown to help manage blood sugar levels according to some research. Despite the fact that tomatoes have a multitude of positive effects on health, it is essential to keep in mind that individual reactions may differ. When it comes to maintaining overall health and well-being, it is typically advised that a balanced diet consisting of a range of fruits and vegetables be consumed. Tomatoes are not only delicious, but they are also loaded with a wide